Hey guys, another tutorial from me. As the most of you guys know, I'm traveling around Europe because my husband and I, we sold our house and we have work now on a campsite named Etruria, and this is the beach of Etruria. So tutorials were not that often made now in this month because we needed to work. But I just had some inspiration and I want to share with you the new Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. I hope you like it. So the chords that you need to use for this mantra are C, A minor, F and G7. And that's it. Let's play. C, A minor, F and the G7, and then you switch and drop these two fingers next to it, so like this. I first let you hear the song and then I will learn you how to play it. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 So the strumming that I use for this mantra is down, down, up. Down, down, up. I will show you, okay? Let's play without chords, just only like, you can mute your strings and then let's play this rhythm. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. Last time. Down, down, up, 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 down, up. Down, 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 up, 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 down, up. Let's get your position on C. Down, down, up, switch to A minor. Down, down, up, F. Down, down, up, G7. Down, down, up, back to C. Down, down, up, A minor. Down, down, up, G7. Down, down, up, down, up. Then we go to C. Down, down, up, A minor, F. G7, C, F, G7. The second part, there you go up with your voice. You only use then C, A minor, F and G7 like in the beginning. So you do that 2 times, like Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So let's mix it all together. Get position on C. The down, down, up comes now, okay? C, A minor, F, G7, C, A minor, G7, C, A minor, F, G7, C, F, G7, C, A minor, F, G7, C, in the tutorial. Come, my beach friend is here. You come on YouTube. Hey, Marco. He let me play her on his beach. On his beach tent. Yeah. High five. What do you think of the song?
No song.
No song.
No,
You like this song?
Yeah.
Good. So guys, he likes it. Thumbs up. So guys, that was Marco. Yes. Oh, my camera is hanging. Whoa, let's see. Yes. Okay guys, let's play it now with the lyrics, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Let's try that another time. Okay? Let's play Om Namo Bhagavate. 1, 2, 3, 4. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya.